Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John Doe, and we will be designing and editing forms and reports today. So, in order, well, alright, so I'm going to be making some forms and reports on the magical item table, which includes all my magical pizzas. In order to do this, head into the Create tab, click on Forms, or you can click on all the other stuff. It's good stuff, but okay, let's have a look at it. So we have more forms, which gives you access to more forms. Form Wizard, which allows you to create the form step by step using this wizard. And Blank Form. Navigation as well gives you access to buttons, and form design and all that sort of stuff. It's cool. But the most prominent one you probably use is Form or Form Wizard, or maybe some of these ones. Within the actual form itself, you got a bunch of features that allow you to edit it. So I think that using the views is a good place to start. So you have design view and layout view. I recommend layout view. It allows you to just sort of use this as a more familiar feature of the other Office applications, because design view is super clunky, but it does allow you to yeah, it's really clunky. Don't use it. Don't use design view. Just use layout view. Layout view is good. So it's really simple. You know, it's sort of text box and images. So you can click here, then you can just name stuff. So item form, and then yeah, you can actually change themes. So for example, you go over here, you click the themes, colors, and fonts, give you further access. Here you have a bunch of tools available. So some of the more prominent ones are text, labels, buttons, hyperlink. I think this is navigation. Yep, navigational controls. Maybe attachments if you want to attach stuff, and images, I guess. So I'm just going to make use of this. For example, I'm going to click this over here, and then you can add this. So enter, maybe you can enter some advice for the people. So enter the ID, and that will just maybe help any future users who want to enter in the item ID over here. So yeah, you know, good stuff going on here. Other things you can do is you can change the logo. So I have a logo pre-prepared, license free of course, Wikipedia, and just expand it just so you can see it. Yeah, you know, something like that looks pretty good in my opinion. And see, you got some problems here. You can fix that. So you can use arrange tab, allows you to just control the layout of these like little boxes if you can see them, which just makes it really confusing and complicating, so I don't even want to touch that. So you can center that, you know, maybe boost the size up, 72. Yeah, good stuff. I think that's all you can really do, pretty much. What is this? Don't do that. Don't do that, ladies and gentlemen. Don't do that. And yeah, so let's say you want to add something here, you can go insert below, and now you have the ability to add stuff there. Quite amazing. Alright, let's move on to the creation of reports. And instead of doing what we did with forms using the report and then just accessing these tools, let's create one using the report wizard. So I want to add everything in my report. Oops, isn't working well. There we go. That's the button I was looking for. So this asks you what fields are in my report. I want all of them. And then now you can change the priority of the fields. I just like it as it is. Whoops. And then there's just a bunch of other stuff that I don't really want to do, but I'll just do it really quickly. Description, cost. There we go. Okay, finish. And boom, you have a freaking fancy ass report that no one else can do. So yeah, that report's cool, but we're going to edit it in layout view, of course, because that's the only thing that makes sense. So within this thing, again, you have similar tools as before. You have the ability to change the themes, fonts. You can just double click using the select tool. So we'll make this a report. We have the ability to include page numbers, which is really cool. You have the ability to add a logo. I'll add this logo, and then we'll move it over there. Got title. We already have a title. While we do that, we have date and time, and then yeah, that's some of the more common tools to use. We have a range, which doesn't really apply here, it seems. We also have a format. Again, allows us to format the stuff. So, you know, basic office designs. I'll make this rainbow shaped. And yeah, you can also change it to landscape, all that sort of stuff. Quite amazing. And yeah, that's pretty much how you create, design and edit forms and reports. Thank you for wasting your time. Sorry about that. Goodbye.